Hey everybody, just wanted to make a quick video describing how to set up a content marketplace using distributed marketing. So this is assuming that we've already got the distributed marketing managed package installed. We've already connected some of our journeys to campaigns from Salesforce Marketing Cloud into Salesforce CRM. This assumes that we've already got everything set up and in place. But what we're running into now is user adoption issues. So a lot of our internal users aren't actually using um, distributed marketing. We've built beautiful email templates. We've got awesome content, but they're not actually using it. So how do we solve for that? The best option is using what we call a content marketplace. So a content marketplace is basically a one-stop shop for your users to come in and see what kind of content is available to them to use. Now you'll see a lot of these are, so this is my content marketplace right here, actually. And you'll see a lot of these are named, but I don't have an image. For a lot of these, I haven't uploaded an image, which you can do, and I'll show you. But basically, Content Marketplace is a really pretty way for your users to come in and say, "Oh, this is a really great email. I'd love to send this to my customer." So how do we set that up? First things first, you'll want to go to whatever page your sales users or your distributed marketing users will frequently visit. So in this case, I'm looking at a sales user, so I'm going to be in my sales console, and I'm going to be on my home screen. So I'm on my home screen right now, and this is where I would like my content marketplace to show up. So what I'll do is come over here to the gear icon. I'll click edit page and I'll build out my content marketplace. So let's delete this so that we can do it together. Clean up my page a little bit. I've done this one too many times. So yeah, we are now looking at my homepage for my Sales Cloud app. And what I want to do first things first is type in tabs to my search bar. Now, wherever you want your content marketplace to show up, you'll just drag it over. So I want mine to show up right there. And what I'll do is I'll come in over to tabs and I'll click on the first tab, scroll to the top and call it custom. And you might use this one for your quick send messages, right? And then down here for this one, we might say campaign send messages. So those are some options. Another option is if you want to, you can build out any kind of list that you want to name and name it accordingly. So you could say summer 2025 sale and you set it up that way. And I'll go ahead and click save. Just keep clicking save so you don't lose your work. And then over on the search bar, I'll type in MCDM. Sometimes this can take a little bit of time to load. So while this loads, we'll pivot back over to Sales Cloud. And what I want to do, is I want to come into my quick send messages. What I want to do is create a new list view. So I'll come over here to list view controls, click new, and I'll say QS messages 2, or I can't use a 2, but yeah. And then I'll say all users can see this list view, right? Go ahead and click save. So you'll name that whatever you want to. And then under your filters, you can say all quick send messages and then start adding filters. So I, of course, want them to be active. Add another filter to say, you know, whatever field that you want to. Let's say message type equals, I'm not going to do that because that's going to mess up. You can do linked business unit. So if you want to segment by business unit, that's an option. You can add in an end date for the quick message. But honestly, so I don't mess this up, I'm just going to leave it set to active. So this should pull in all of my quick send messages. And I'll go ahead and click save. So now I've got a list view built out, and you can do the same for campaign send. Oops. And I'll say quick send messages. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, that's okay. Well, let's come back over here. But yeah, so I've got my list view set up, right? So I'm looking at my quick send message tab, or if I wanted to, I can pivot over to campaign send or summer 2025 sale. So again, that's what you would be using down here. And so I'll come down here and I'll say quick send marketplace, drag it over into that tab that corresponds. Campaign send messages, I'll say campaign marketplace. And then summer 2025, maybe it's a quick send message as well. So under quick send messages, what I'll do is I'll click into this little box. And what you'll notice is that it's taking my list view names from my list views on the quick send messages. So for this one, I'll say quick send marketplace, the one that we actually, I think I did QS messages, that the one that we just created. And I'll say save campaign. I'll say, oops, under this one, I'll say list view, and I'll say content marketplace for DM. So that is a list view that I built out. And then summer 2025 sale, I'll come down here and I'll use Dogtopia for that one. So effectively what I've done is I've created a content marketplace. Go ahead and click save. I'll go back. Oh, I need to edit that page again because I didn't move my content marketplace over. So I'll come back over here, edit page. And I always like to, lost an internet connection there, but that's okay. I always like to come in and name my pages accordingly. So I don't know what's going on with my internet connection. That's okay. But yeah, I'll come back over here and you'll see my content marketplace is showing. So I got my quick send messages, my campaign send messages, and my summer 2025 sale. So again, these are all going to be determined by that list view that I have built out for quick send, campaign send, or a custom one. But yeah, that'll set up a content marketplace for you. And now your sales users or service reps, whoever is using the distributed marketing, can come in and have a one-stop shop to see what kind of content is available to them. And then if I click into this, let's see if I'm solving internet issues. Okay, good. What I can do is scroll all the way down and upload an image. For some reason, it doesn't like the image that I have in there. But this is where you can come in and you can add an image that will show on the content marketplace. So I'll use that one. Go ahead and click done. I've got an image there. So you might upload an image of that email or whatever it is. And then when I come back to the home screen, hopefully, sometimes it doesn't work for me. This is just a dev work. But the point is you'll be able to come in and drop an image into the marketplace. And that way your customer or your users will come in and see an image of the content that they're about to send out. So not a perfect demo. Sorry about the picture not showing up, but it's really useful. And we see a lot of customers when they adopt a content marketplace start to see engagement go up. Thank you so much for your time. And I hope you have a great rest of your day.